Hey guys, this is my second video. Hello guys, and today I'm gonna be making a video about slimes. I'm showing you my slimes. Yeah, all of them. Like I don't have a lot. I think I have like wait, I'm have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 slimes for me. I made them myself, and I have some borax just in case if they're sticky. Yeah. Wait, Rachel, I really like slimes. I like one, and I like one. Okay, so we're gonna make some slimes. Let's do this one first. So, comment down below what should I call all my slimes. So you're gonna see them, yeah. Boom, wiggle it, wiggle it. Oh no, paper. I have to close them really good. I have to close them really good, and cause before they get like dried, and I don't know them. Comment down below what should I call this. I think it looks like it's pumpkin, but it's up to you guys because this, I don't know. Okay, but I think I will put borax. This, guys, no, I have the extra cup just in case it falls. The extra cup. I'm gonna put it right here. Open it for real. Wow, look at this glue thing. It's so good. Okay, I'm gonna take it. Well, it's kind of sticky, guys. I'm gonna put kind of slime, okay, before it really sticky. Borax. This is how the borax look like when it comes out. I think you can see it. Borax. It's cool, right? Okay, this is how it looks like now. It's gooey. So let's take it out. Oops, I can't take it out. Wait, I have a good thing. Table right now. Wow, it's glitter now. You know how it's glitter? Forgot. Okay, take this out. Wow. This is how it looks like right now. I think I made a mistake right now. When I did it. That's how it looks right now. I think you saw it right. I think. Okay, I can get back. It's kind of sticky. Now really sticky. Put back. Sticks. My iPad. I'm filming in my iPad. Filming. Get it? They don't mean. Just kidding. I don't get it. That's not a joke. I think so. Just camp out. This camp is Marty goes. Okay, let's put it back. Mew 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 mew. Put it here now. Completely sick. This is my second slime. Now I'm showing my third slime. This is how my third. Sorry guys, I forgot to put the cap, the extra cap. Put it here now. Completely finished. Sorry guys, it's taking a long time. This is my second slime. Now I'm showing my third slime. This is how my third. Sorry guys, I forgot to put the cap, the extra cap. Tell me guys. Okay, the next one. That's the bucket looks so good. I think it was bucket. Next slime, it's kind of crunchy. As an extra cap too, and I have caps to make slime. Extra cap? What? So open it. Does it look like? It smells. I don't know. It smells kind of weird. It smells good. This one is not sticky. I know it's not sticky for me. I think it's not. So it looks like. Oh, it's kind of sticky now. Let's see if I can have some. Ah! I'm gonna show you my table. Get this off the table quick. Oh, when you see it, wait, do it. Okay, so that's kind of enough. I'm gonna put some borax. Want to see how I put a borax in it? Okay, wait. Just like the pumpkin one. Maybe called pumpkin, that's what I think. It's gonna get a window table. Come down, what should I call this one? I don't know. I don't know what should I call it. It is smell kind of candy. It does smell kind of candy to me. So it looks like when it's closed. You gotta close it really good. Yeah. Yeah, it's closed. Okay. This is my third one. This is how far I showed you. This is how far I showed you. Okay, I'm gonna show my third one. It's this one. It looks like it's weird. I know, but I'm gonna show you. It's not sticky now. Now I'm gonna show borax, right? What should I call it, guys? Go down low again. put it back now. My fifth one. Let's see me poke it. That's what people do randomly. And that's what people do. I'm gonna show you. I don't think you see it. Wait, do you see it? Let me see me. Okay. And it smells kind of weird. Here's the tape. Where's the tape? Here's a blue tape. I'm gonna show you how far it went. Look, count how many slimes I have. Okay, these are the big ones. The two ones are big, okay? I think it's green apple. I think I should call it green apple, right? So I put these kind of wrappers that I could poke in the slime. It's fun, right? Okay, I'm gonna show you there again. Flakes thing. Can't really show it because I'm holding one hand and one hand holding this. I don't think I'm poking it good. Yeah, I'm definitely not poking it. I don't think so. Okay, putting back in the tap. Puchicharaku. I don't know what I said. It's not even a word. Boo boo. Put it in here. The last one is 7. What should I call it? I'm holding it with my feet. I can't really stand it. I can't really stand it good. Okay. Okay, now put it in. Oopsie. Bring it back. Okay. So I got all of the slimes ready to go. Oopsie, they're flowy. We scatter. And that's my video today from showing you slimes. And bye guys, I hope I make a third video, but I am really happy that you're here. Bye guys.